So one of the things that I think is really crucial that people understand is just how important it is that you receive medical treatment while you're seeking disability. Because one of the most important ways that Social Security uses in determining whether you are disabled or not is what your medical records say about you and what your doctors are saying about you. And if you're not going to the doctor regularly, and if you're not receiving treatment, then Social Security doesn't have a whole lot to go on. So even if you're just going to see a doctor every other month or every 3 months, it is just super important that you get some sort of treatment. And I know that that's not always the easiest thing to do, especially if you lack health insurance or if you lack the finances to pay even for co-pays if you do have health insurance. And that's why I do everything I can to try to point people to options that are low or no cost medical treatment. It's not always available, but I want to try to point you in the right direction if I can. I think it's also important to note that when you do go to your doctor, you need to try to explain to them what's going on with you on a regular basis. Because sometimes I hear from clients, well, I go to the doctor and they manage my diabetes or they manage my hypertension or whatever it is, but I never mention to them that I have knee problems or back problems because I know there's nothing they're going to do for me anyway, right? And so this goes back to, if you're not mentioning it, the doctor isn't going to put it in their notes and they're not going to treat you for it. So it's effectively as good as you not having the problem in Social Security's eyes, right? If there's no record on it, there's no way to verify what's going on with you. So it is really important that you mention these problems to your doctors and have those discussions with them about what's actually going on with you. So sometimes I think that people can be really distraught over just wondering if they are going to meet the criteria for disability. So I think that it's important that if you think that you might meet the criteria for disability, or if you just have questions about it, to give us a call at Ponce Law, because we may be able to help you, and if we can't, we can at least point you in the right direction and help you answer some of those questions for yourself. And I think a lot of people often feel better once they know where they stand.